Hey, this is Troy Noonan, the Backpack Trader. In the last video, I was showing you a setup in the QQQs. It was a really interesting setup because it had just put on a string of winners, and then the market seems to have given the look like it was topping out. And we talked about this in the last video. Hopefully you saw it. If you didn't, you may want to check it out. The very next day, the market opened at the high right around here, just like 5 pennies under our entry, and then it sold off hard. And it again really gave look and feel like a topping pattern was forming, possibly a head and shoulders or a double top of some sort. And you always see this kind of volatility around topping patterns. But the market had other ideas, and I'm never one to try to predict what's going to happen. I have my setups. They show right on the chart. You can see it. You click on it. You got the entry. You got targets, etc. If one were to place this trade, it would still be pending. Hasn't canceled yet. So look what happens. On the very next day, it comes up and it hit the entry. So anyone with trades placed here would have triggered in. I suggested buying a 583 December call. And look what happened. It's off to the races. Gapping higher, gapping higher. A lot of momentum behind this move. What's looking like the formation of a long-term topping pattern ends up proving to be nothing more than a consolidation of some sort and the continuation of the uptrend. Pretty cool. Amazing. The price action can't hide. It tells the story. It doesn't matter what we think. And this is why I never try to be a prognosticator. I don't always try to say what my prediction is, what the market's going to do. I'm just going to let the price action tell the story and then react as a trader. My strategy is indicating what's likely to happen because these setups tend to win a lot more than they lose, as you saw in the last video with the last series of trades. This particular option, if one were to have bought it, is already increased in value $960. And it hasn't even hit its first target yet. Now, it still might not hit it. It could always turn around and come down. This could end up being the head of a head and shoulders with the shoulders still not forming. Who knows? But it's looking more like a breakout from a consolidation pattern. And there's strength in numbers. Let's see what one of the other teams is doing. Let me show you something really quick. Here's a look at the SPY. And a setup also occurred, just like we saw on the QQQs. And, you know, maybe not looking quite so toppy, a little bit, not quite as much as the Qs showed, but this also broke out the very next day. Instead of missing the entry and selling off, it actually gapped up through the entry, would have triggered in that trade. Again, December calls, that's what I would have been suggesting here. And it already hit a target 1. The stop is already moved. It's already at a break-even level. And target 1 is a profit target when trading these kind of stocks and options. And this one particular option would already be up over 33% in just 4 days with $756 in profit approximately on this option already. This is the kind of swing trading that I recommend. It's what I like to do. You can predict it. You can look back and prove how much money it can make for you over a lot of trades, which is what we want, a large sample set. So the statistics are stable and dependable. This is total backpack trader style of trading too, because trades like this take minutes to place and manage. And then they operate behind the scenes while you're going about living your life the way you choose. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will certainly be sending out another one very soon, and I hope to see you then.